Looks like they got into the room that you would be in right now. What are you trying to do? Sit in the picture?
Wow.
I wonder why they have to bust all the windows. I guess to get ventilation.
It doesn't look like they have a fireplace.
Oh, didn't ours have a fireplace technically? Maybe it was a stove thing. You know, that's a exact duplicate of our house, right?
It is, yeah.